Hello. Good morning, students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So yesterday we have studied this example. Today also some similar example we will study. Okay. So here you can see here, find analytic function f of z as a function of z. Here we want analytic function, that is nothing but f of z we want, given that sum of its real and imaginary part. Sum means addition, real part and imaginary part. A real part will be u and imaginary part will be v. So sum of real and imaginary parts u plus v is given. So sum of its real part and imaginary part is this much. That is u plus v is given. So I'm writing once again with the simplification because here I had to open the bracket. So u plus v is equal to x cube minus y cube plus 3x square y, because just you multiply inside x into x, it will become x square, 3x square y plus minus 3x y square, 3x y square. Okay, so differentiate one partially with respect to x. I told that even in the previous case or here, once you differentiate with respect to x, order is immaterial. First, whether you are differentiating with respect to x or with respect to y, it doesn't matter. So just differentiate with respect to x, the given quantity, differentiate with respect to x by keeping y constant. So derivative of u with respect to, well, x will be ux. So here I'm doing partial differentiation, that you will keep in a mind. So v with respect to x is vx. So x cube differentiation is 3x square. So this will be 0, and 3x square outside, sorry, with respect to x, no. So 3y will be outside, x square differentiation, 3x square y differentiation is, this is 3, this is 2x, this is y as it is. So totally 6xy. So I wrote here 6xy. Next, 3xy square. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So 3y square will come. So that is 3y square. So this is what the differentiation with respect to x. This is what the differentiation with respect to x. So next thing is that differentiate with respect to y. So by keeping x constant. So that is uy plus vy is equal to, so with respect to y, it is coming like this. So here in equation 2 or 3, what you can do is that use the CR equation. So any one of the equation, either you convert in terms of x or in terms of y, that's left to you. So what I will do is that equation number 3, so here, no, I'll convert in terms of x. So that uy, I'll take it as vx, vy, I'll take it as ux. So that I'll substitute and I'll write that this RHS will be same as usual. We have to write it. Only this quantity I am replacing. Okay, so minus vx plus ux is equal to minus 3y square plus 3x square minus 6xy. So next, what I will do is that equation of 2 and 4, once you add it, once you subtract it. So first I'm adding. So adding equation 2 and 4. So LHS to LHS you add it, RHS to RHS you add it. So here, this is what the addition I have shown. Okay, so we will open the bracket and we will do the simplification. So ux plus vx plus minus minus plus plus plus. So this all everything, it will come like this. Okay, so here minus 6xy plus 6xy, or again nothing will cancel. Minus vx plus vx get cancels. Ux plus ux, that is 2ux, 6x square, 3x square plus 3x square, 6x square, minus 3y square, minus 3y square, minus 6y square. So here you can see here 2 is common, and here 3 is common. Okay, so sorry, 2 is common. Okay, this side also 2 is common. Okay, take 2 common. Okay, 3 will be inside, that two, this two will get cancel each other. Okay, therefore ux equal to 3x square minus 3y square is the answer. 3x square minus 3y square is the answer. Similarly, subtract 2 and 4. Similarly, subtract 2 and 4. So instead of plus sign here, add on plus, no? You can see here, add on plus here. So instead of minus, we have to write it. That's it. So you open the bracket and here plus ux minus ux get cancelled, and 3x square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 3y square. So 6xy, 6xy, 12xy. So vx plus vx, 2vx. Therefore, vx is equal to 2 1 za, 2 6 za. Okay, vx equal to 6xy. Vx is equal to 6xy. So we got it ux, we got ux and vx. So I want f dash of z. To get f dash of z, as we have ux and vx, I have to use this formula. F dash of z, you get it first. F dash of z, ux you write, vx you substitute. Okay, and next put x equal to z and y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 means this will be 0. This will be 0. Only 3z square will come. So f dash of z is equal to 3z square. Integrating both the side. Integrating both the side. Integration of f dash of z. 3 you take out. Integration of z square dz plus c. So integration, differentiation get cancel each other. So this is f of z is equal to 3 into z cube by 3 plus c, constant of integration. This get cancelled. So f of z is z cube plus c. F of z is z cube plus c. So therefore, see, z cube plus c is your f dash of sorry, f of z is, that is nothing but the analytic function. Again, one more question that you treat it as a homework. Please try to solve it and send it. I'll check the answer. So that is u plus v is analytic. F of z, find f of z. He has given u minus v. The u minus v is x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square. So just to multiply both the things in detail, you simplify the things. Understood? Okay. So the examples we have solved it in Cartesian. Okay. Now we will solve it in polar. So given f of z is equal to u r theta plus I v r theta is analytic, and given that u plus v is equal to 1 by r square cos of 2 theta minus sine of 2 theta. So r is not equal to 0. Once r is equal to 0, it becomes indefinite. So that is not a finite quantity. So determine analytic function f of z. So given u plus v is equal to 1 by r square cos of 2 theta minus sine of 2 theta. Okay, so same thing, but here instead of differentiating with respect to x and y, I have to differentiate with respect to r and theta. So that is this, you differentiate with respect to r. So here you can see 1 upon r square, I have to differentiate. That I can write it as r raised to minus 2. This r raised to minus 2 differentiation is minus 2 r raised to minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 into r raised to minus 3 minus 2 by r cube. So minus 2 by r cube cos of 2 theta minus sine of 2 theta as it is, because I am differentiating with respect to r by keeping theta constant. So next is again the same equation, you differentiate with respect to theta by keeping r constant. That is nothing but this side to keep constant. Cos of 2 theta differentiation is minus 2 sine of 2 theta. Sine of 2 theta differentiation is 2 into cos of 2 theta. So therefore, by using the CR equations in polar form, that is u r equal to 1 by r v theta, vr is equal to minus 1 by r u theta. So that is r terms I'll make one side, this I'll shift it to this side, this I'll shift it to this side, r u r is equal to v theta, r v r is equal to or minus r v r is equal to u theta, that is left to u. So what I will do is that this u theta I'll substitute here, this v theta I'll substitute here. Any one of the equation, either in this equation or in this equation, you have to substitute. Don't choose both the equations, you'll go wrong. Okay, any one equation you have to choose it. So I'll choose in equation 3. So that is u theta minus rvr, v theta, that is rvr. So 1 by r square minus 2 sine of 2 theta minus 2 cos of 2 theta. So that is r is common here. Between this, r is common. You are, see this plus sign I'll write, minus vr. So that is equal to 1 upon r square minus 2 sine of 2 theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. So u r minus vr is equal to this r. I'll shift it to this side. So this becomes 1 by r into 1 by r square, 1 by r cube minus 2 sine of 2 theta minus 2 cos of 2 theta. Okay. So next, what I will do is that similarly addition and subtraction is same. Okay. So adding 2 and 4. This is equation number 2. Okay. Equation 2 and equation 4. Once we will add it, once we will subtract it. So when we will add it, when we will add LHS to LHS, RHS to RHS, we are getting like this entire thing I written, you can see that. Okay. So next. So here what get cancels is that these two terms, that is minus, that is this get cancelled. Okay, ur plus ur, 2ur. So that is 2ur will be coming. I'm opening the bracket. So this quantity again get cancels. Minus 2 by r cube cos 2 theta minus 2 by r cube cos of 2 theta. That is minus 4 by r cube cos of 2 theta. So again what we can do is that this you can see 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, so ur is equal to minus 2 by r cube cos of 2 theta. Again subtracting 2 and 4. We have to subtract 2 and 4. ur plus vr is minus ur minus vr. So this quantity minus this quantity. So ur plus vr minus ur minus minus plus vr. So minus ur plus ur get cancelled. Vr plus vr, 2vr it is. So next this they get cancel each other. 4 by r cube sine of 2 theta plus 2 by r cube sine of 2 theta. So that is everything is common. 1 plus 1 2. So that is not like that. It's simple. See here 2 by r cube sine 2 theta plus 2 by r cube sine 2 theta. So what is common? So both the terms are common. Inside what is remained? 1 plus 1. And this is common now. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 into 2 by r cube cos of 2 theta. 2 by r cube sine of 2 theta is common. This 2, it will be 4. 4 by r cube sine of 2 theta. So that is 4 by r cube sine of 2 theta. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So again VR is equal to minus 2 by r cube sine of 2 theta. So I got UR and VR now. So because of that, I'll get f of z. Before that, substitute in f dash of z. So f dash of z is equal to e raised to minus I theta UR plus IVR. So e raised to minus theta, what is UR? Write it here, plus I into this is VR. So what is common? 2 by r cube is common. Okay, so or else minus 2 by r cube is common I have taken, that's it. So here the minus sign I have taken out, cos of theta. So plus I have taken out minus sign. So therefore what I will write is that e raised to minus I theta minus 2 by r cube. cos of theta minus I sin theta. See, cos theta plus I sin theta is e raised to I theta. Cos of 2 theta plus I sin theta e raised to 2 I theta. But here minus sign is there. So I write e raised to minus 2 I theta. So this I'll keep out. E raised to minus I theta, e raised to minus 2 I theta. So minus 2 by r cube, e raised to minus and minus. See, bases are same. We can add the powers. E raised to minus I theta minus 2 I theta. So minus 2 by r cube, e raised to minus 3 I theta. So put r equal to z and theta is equal to 0. So minus 2 by z cube, e raised to theta is 0. Minus 3 into 0 will be 0. E raised to 0 will be 1. So minus 2 by r I had taken as z cube, no? So e raised to 0 will be 1 minus 2 by z cube. So next I had to integrate both the side. Next I had to integrate because I want f of z. Here f dash of z is there. So therefore, this integration of minus 2 by z cube dz plus c. Integration of minus 2 by z cube plus c. So therefore, what I will do is that f of z is equal to minus 2, we will take out 1 by z cube. 1 by z cube, I'll write it as z raised to minus 3. Z raised to minus 3 dz plus c. So minus 2 is outside, z raised to minus 3. What is x raised to n formula? Integration. X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n means what? Minus 3. So minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1. Instead of x, z is there. So z raised to minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. So therefore, z raised to minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, z raised to minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. So minus 2 get cancelled. Z raised to minus 2 plus c, or else 1 upon z square. Z raised to minus 2 is 1 by z square. So 1 by z square plus c. So any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So another 2-3 derivations that we have to study now. So the next derivation with this examples gets completed. So at the end, you have 2 or 3 derivations that is must. So we'll go for the first one. F of z is analytic. F of z is analytic. Show that this. Okay. So here, either taking this, you prove this, or taking this, you prove this. Any one thing you can do. So what I will do is that I'll take this LHS, I'll prove RHS. So let us take from the inside quantity. So first you take, see what is there here, f of z. So f of z is analytic in the sense we want both real part and imaginary part. So let us take f of z is equal to u plus iv. Why I'm taking u plus iv? Because it is an analytic function. So next, what is their mod f of z is? Mod f of z. So what is modulus of f of z? Square root of u square plus v square. Next, what is their mod f of z the square? Means I have to square both the side. So squaring both the side, this side mod f of z the square root and 2 get cancelled. So only u square plus v square is remained. So let us take, it becomes bit complicated term. So because of that, I'll take it as some pi. So even if you are taking mod f of z the square equal to u plus v square, absolutely no problem. But let us take u square plus v square is equal to pi. So next, what I have to prove if that is the case? So dou square pi by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into pi. So here I am writing it as pi. Okay. So 4f dash of z the square, this as it is. So dou square pi by dou x square, dou square pi by dou y square is equal to 4 of z the square. So this I had to prove it actually. Okay. If I prove this, let us later I'll take pi is equal to what, that all the things. So next, let us consider what we have taken pi. So pi means what, u square plus v square I take. So let us take that one and we will prove the entire thing. So differentiating with respect to x partially. I am differentiating partially. So pi x is equal to 2u ux plus 2v vx. So pi x is equal to 2 is common, u ux plus v vx. Okay. So therefore, again differentiating with respect to y. Again differentiating with respect, so not with respect to y, with respect to x, because pi xx I want. So keep one term and differentiate the other term, uxx plus ux into ux. So that is not that clear. See, if you differentiate u and ux, first function differentiation of ux is uxx plus second term is ux, differentiation of u with respect to x is ux. Similarly, I had to differentiate this. So that is 2 I had taken common. This I have written here, ux into ux, that is ux the square, that I have written. First we'll see the differentiation. First function into differentiation of the second plus second into differentiation of the first with respect to x. So similarly, I am doing here also. Okay, so 2 into uxx plus ux the square plus vxx plus vx the square. So similarly, once again, I don't want to do it with respect to y. Wherever x is coming, substitute y. That's it. So pi yy is equal to 2 into u into uy the square, v into vy the square. So next, I have to add pi xx, pi yy. So add this plus this. So you can see I'm adding here. Correct? Huh? So I'll multiply each of the term, that is 2u uxx, 2ux square, 2v vxx, 2vx square, 2u uyy, 2uy the square, 2v vyy, 2vy the square. Everything I have multiplied. So next, what I will do is that uxx, uyy. See, I have made some lines. This single zigzag line you can see here. 2u is common, uxx plus uyy. I had to take inside. So next, double zigzag line. 2v is common between this. 2v is common, vxx plus vyy. Next, 2ux the square, 2vx the square, 2 is common. Next, 2uy the square, 2vy the square, 2 is common, uy the square plus vy the square. So everything I'll collect like this. Okay, so next we will do it. Given f of z is analytic. F of z is analytic in the sense it should satisfy the CR equations, one thing. And we know that real and imaginary part of an analytic functions are harmonic. So what is the real part? U. If U is harmonic, uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Imaginary part is also harmonic. What is the imaginary part here? V. That is also harmonic. That is vxx plus vyy equal to 0. So let us substitute these things. Let us substitute these things. So this is 0, this is 0, right? Next, 2ux the square plus vx the square, 2uy the square plus vy the square. So this remains as it is. So next thing is that what I will do between these two, 2 is common. Okay, So ux square, vx square, uy the square, vy the square. Now either everything you convert in terms of x or in terms of y. That's left to you. So now what I will do is that I'll convert in terms of x. So uy the square. What is uy? That is minus vx square. Vy. What is vy? That is ux the square. So what we are getting? Ux the square plus vx the square, vx the square plus ux the square. So ux the square, 2ux the square, vx the square, 2vx the square. So again, 2 is common from this. So 2 2s are 4, ux the square plus vx the square. And I know that f dash of z is nothing but ux plus ivx. Mod of f dash of z is square root of ux the square plus vx the square. So square it both the side. So what I can write, modulus of f dash of z the square is ux the square plus vx the square. So therefore, what I will do is that whatever this ux square, vx the square is there now, that I'll write it as mod f dash of z the square. Mod of f dash of z the square. So therefore, pi xx plus pi yy is equal to 4 into f dash of z the square. Pi xx means what? Dou square pi by dou x square plus pi yy means what? Dou square pi by dou y square, that is equal to 4 into f dash of z the square. So from this pi I'll take out. Okay, dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into pi is equal to 4 mod of f dash of z the square. And everyone knows that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square, pi means mod of f of z the square, that is equal to 4 mod f dash of z the square. So this is what we want. Okay, Lakshmi Redekar. Lakshmi, please. Lakshmi. Lakshmi, please. Any doubts here, Shashanka? Shashank?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
So I think another two examples I finished this module.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, similarly, we have to work out this example. So somebody tell to that Lakshmi, no, if f of z is a regular function, if f of z is a regular function, that is analytic function of z, show that this quantity. Okay, so again f of z is analytic, that is f of z is equal to u plus iv had to take. So mod means what? Mod f of z is equal to square root of u square plus v square. So let us take mod f of z is equal to pi. So pi is equal to square root of u square plus v square. So the given thing becomes now dou pi. See everything, this pi you substitute here. Dou pi by dou x the square plus dou pi by dou y the square equal to mod f of f dash of z the square. Dou pi by dou x, that is pi x the square, pi y the square, it is equal to mod f dash of z the square. So let us take pi. Pi means what? Square root of u square plus v square. Pi square means what? U square plus v square. Differentiating with respect to x. So you differentiate this with respect to x. 2 pi pi x. So that is 2u. Differentiation of u square is 2u into ux. Differentiation of v square is 2v vx. So here 2, 2, 2. From this 2 you take common. So 2 2 get cancels. Pi into pi x, that is equal to u into ux plus v into vx. So Similarly, pi y is equal to u uy plus v vy. Okay, so squaring 1 and 2, pi square pi x the square, that is ux plus vx the square, entire bracket I have to take. Similarly, square root 2, so pi square pi y the square, u uy plus v vy the square. After this, adding LHS to LHS, RHS to RHS. Pi square pi x square plus pi square pi y the square. U ux plus v vx the square plus u uy v vy the square. So between this, pi square is common, pi x square plus pi y the square. So here a plus b the square, a plus b the square. Both the side we have to apply. So that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that is u ux the square v vx the square 2u ux v vx, u square ui the square v square vy the square plus 2u ui v vy. Okay, so when you arrive at this stage, recall the given function is regular or it is analytic. So it satisfies the CR equation, ux equal to vy and ui equal to minus vx. So everything you convert in terms of x. So this term keep as it is. Here whatever ui vy is coming, no, convert in terms of x by using CR equations. So what I had done, u ux square plus v square vx square 2u ux v into vx plus u square. Ui means what? Minus vx the square plus v square. Vy means ux square plus 2u ui is minus vx, v into vy is ux. Okay, so u square ux square, v square vx square, 2u ux v vx. See, minus vx the square, that is plus vx square, plus u square into vx square plus v square into ux square plus minus minus 2u ux v vx. This quantity get cancelled. So between u ux square, u square vx square, u square is common, ux square vx square. From these two terms, v square is common, ux square plus vx is missing here, please, sorry. So please make it in the notes vx the square. So ux the square vx the square, ux the square vx the square is common. So u square plus v square inside. So u square plus v square is pi square. So write it pi square. This pi square get cancelled. So pi x square pi y the square is equal to u square the square plus vx the square. Pi square means pi x the square means what? Dou pi by dou x the square plus dou pi by dou y the square. See, we know that f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx. Mod of f dash of z is equal to square root of ux the square plus vx the square. So square root both squaring both the side, mod f dash of z the square is equal to ux the square vx the square. So ux the square vx the square, I can take it as mod of f dash of z the square. So therefore, so this is pi is nothing but mod f of z. This pi is nothing but mod f of z. So dou by dou x of mod f of z the square plus dou by dou y of mod f of z the square is equal to mod f dash of z the square. The things are very simple. Please try to concentrate. But when you will come after adding in both the cases, okay, use the CR equations. Use the CR equations. So 36 it is. Rest of the thing, this one derivation and application to flow problems. So this I had to write the notes. Okay, so that one derivation application to flow problems, that is very simple. Like they are giving imaginary part, we have to get the real part. That's it. But the terms are different. The terms are different here. So with this, I'll finish the syllabus tomorrow. Okay. So any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. We will close, okay?